Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Saturday, December 24th, 10:44 a.m. New York time. Do a recap of the past week's stock market. We'll look at the stock index, stock indexes, plural, stock sectors, and the FANG Plus stocks. So each candle represents a week, and the whole grid is 1 year. We're looking at the S&P 500. The trend is down, lower highs, lower lows. Still have this pattern forming. And I'm mentioning to you all what that is. That's a bullish head and shoulder pattern. And we're already completed the head. We're working on the right shoulder. So, mentioned the trend is down. We had a lower high, lower low. We also closed red below the prior close, the prior week. This trend up, we were in a retracement down to the Fibonacci. We broke below and closed below the 0.382. We tested 50% and closed above it. We also tested this prior demand zone of buyers, closed above it. So this potential candle signal here, being not bullish because it didn't even close inside this candle, we still may see a consolidation or another retracement of this little trend area. Be concerned. NASDAQ 100, same thing. Trend is down, lower highs, lower low. Testing and closed above this key demand zone. So again, we could have a pop-up into next week, but again, doesn't mean we're bullish on a higher time frame. So short-term trends, swing trades, day trades, may see setups to take for the price higher. Okay, look at this. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed green. Still, the trend's down, lower high, lower low, but closed green inside the prior body. It's more bullish or less bearish than the other indexes. Remember, the Dow index is part of the S&P 500 index. The Dow Transports, yep, closed red, lower low, lower high. Interesting, because it closed the body, the close of this trading range closed above 50% of the trading range. That's more bullish, yeah. Even though it's and it's long tail. Dow Utilities also closed green, but still lower high, lower low. Not surprised, closed green. It's utilities, high dividend stocks. And the Russell 2000, really bad. Red, lower low, lower high, like a dodgy candle. So potential reversal there too. So takeaway is not the most popular indexes. Well, okay, the Dow closed green, the Dow Utilities closed green, but the NASDAQ 100, the popular one, did not. Nope. Struggles real still. Let's go look at those sectors, because in the S&P 500, there's 11 sectors. You should consider doing house cleaning this month if you haven't started before the end of the year, meaning get out of the losers and look to start buying the winners. XLK, technology sector, red, lower low, lower high. Not surprised. It's mostly technology stocks. XLV, healthcare, green. Again, lower low, lower high, but it closed inside that prior range. Again, Notice here's the high of the year. Here's the low of the year. XLF, financials, lower high, lower low, but it closed green. That's interesting because the financials been struggling, but it's still interesting. It closed green. I wonder what majority of the stocks in that index. I forgot how many stocks are in that index. Close. XLY, consumer discretionary. That's really bad. New low for the year. Again, XLY, consumer discretionary, new low for the year. Trend is down, lower high, lower low. XLC, communication services, close green. Again, lower, lower, lower high, small little body, long wick. Yep. Potential reversal. It's a dodgy. Again, extremely bearish for a year, but might pop. XLI, industrials. Yep. Lower high, lower low, trend is down, closed green. And that's a mix. That's the high tail top, high tail bottom, medium-sized body. Yeah. Again, that could be a fake out. So it could roll over, go a lot lower. I've seen this before play out. XLP, consumer staples. Actually, let me go back to this. When I say fake out, it can have another candle go up during the week and then finish and take and break above, leading into new buyers, and then have that long tail at the end of the week and closing back on the bottom. Yeah, if I see an example here, I'd like to show you the, well, here's one. Okay, well, that's got a smaller body. But again, broke above, bunch of new buyers there, filled, and it had a big tail, and then eventually went lower, lower. Fake outs, okay. Which one were we on? XLP, consumer staples, green. Mostly body, that's good. But again, lower high, lower low, but closing inside prior body. XLE, energy. Yep, green. Made a lower low and a lower high. But again, now it's an acceleration. Again, this big impulse move down, strong impulse move down in acceleration phase. There we go, acceleration phase. So again, the overall is still bearish. XLU, utilities, green. Made a lower high, lower low, big body, small tail. XLRE, real estate. Lower high, lower low, closed green, small body, long wick on the bottom, dodgy, potential reversal. XLB, materials. Lower high, lower low, small body, long wick on the bottom, long tail on the bottom, potential reversal. That's interesting, seeing several candles like this. It's good. The market overall had a fast sell-off during this week, but these that have the long tail on the bottom, small bodies, that's where a lot of buyers stepped in because they closed above. So again, more bullish on these kind for swing trade ideas. Let's go look at the, well, actually, let's zoom in on each one just to get a better comparison on each of these. On each of these 11 sectors inside the S&P 500. Just looking over them, going from the top left to the right. See, there's something significant. Okay, like I mentioned, XLC, X-Ray Lima Charlie. That looks more interesting. XLB, XLRE, interesting. Yeah, so this one, XLC, X-Ray Lima Charlie, X-Ray Lima Romeo Echo, and X-Ray Lima Bravo. Put a little, not a small, but arrow there, just to see what happens next time when I come back, look at them. So you see what happens, what occurs. Yeah, these are stock ETFs, and in these stock ETFs, there's several stocks. Doesn't mean they're all trading the same way, but I would highly recommend you consider looking at the stocks inside these indexes. Might be 5 stocks, 10 stocks, 20 stocks, and see which ones look equal or better in patterns than these, and those might be potential trade ideas for the bullish side. The ones that are the worst in these stock indexes, well, those should be leaning towards the bearish. Let's go finish this off by looking at the FANG Plus stocks. Yep, the most popular stocks, the ones that are most widely held. First, looking at Apple, Alpha Papa Lima, close red, lower high, lower low. So close to the year low. That's terrible. It's not leadership. Microsoft, Mike Sierra Foxtrot Tango, also lower high, lower low, red. Much closer to the low of the year than the high. Amazon, Alpha Mike Zulu November. I say again, Amazon. New low for the year. Wow. Wow. New low for the year. Let's put this out for a little bit longer time frame. Just look at the 3 years. See where it's at. Wow. So it already, look, there was the high last year. It's nearly what the low was from all the way back there. Do I have the right drawings on here? If I do. Wow. Let's put this back for 5 years. Yep. Almost down there. Remember, the events that occurred during here, that's the potential areas it's looking to retest to. Wow. Let's put this back to 10 years. Yep, we're looking at 10 years the weekly. Okay, let's just finish this one off by looking at the monthly. So now each candle is a month. Obviously, the current one's not done yet, the current month, but just get a comparison. It's 2018, 2019, huge consolidation. And look all that red we had. Yeah, back here, interesting. Meta, you know, the old name for, the newer name for Facebook, which owns Instagram, WhatsApp. Look at that, it's in a consolidation, closed green, very close to the low of the year. Massive consolidation. Google, the company called Alphabet. Yeah, red, lower low, lower high. Tesla, new low for the year. Wow. Let's do this one on a monthly too. New low for the year. So we're looking here, maximum of since it's been listed. Wow. Again, we're looking at the monthly. Such a massive pump and dump for many times. But again, the momentum was up, and that's why a lot of people were buying it, because the momentum was up. But it filled last year, beautiful trigger up there to reversal. So buying the dip is not the winner. No, it can still go lower, which it probably is. NVIDIA, Nevada, November Victor Delta Alpha. Again, we're looking here on the weekly, lower low, lower high. Not surprised, bearish pin bar up there. Netflix, yes, struggling still. Green, small trading range. And Alibaba, Bravo Alpha. Yep, massive sell-off occurring here. All these red candles, and someone's still holding it up. Again, expect to have a further breakdown. Many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.